Hi there. Did you know that Power BI has been around for well over 10 years now? It's hard to believe. And it's hard to believe really because I see a lot of organisations looking at Power BI for the first time, trying to understand what are their options for deploying Power BI within their organisation. So I've created this set of videos, look at the 5 most common deployment scenarios available to you when considering your analytics and reporting requirements. In this video, we're going to start looking at the personal BI model. So in this model, this is really for organisations just starting out. Power BI is used, as the name implies, just for personal usage. It's a free download from the powerbi.com site, and individuals can use it to bring in data and start producing reports. They can even publish to the Power BI service, but there's limitations, so you can't share that with anybody else. So while it's useful for bring data together and interpret that, it really does then need to step up, look at the other models to then be able to make use of that and share that with other people, which is one of the real good purposes of creating reports in the first place, to share information with others. Also some other technical limitations as well around being able to connect data and bring data in, but for most people starting out, the personal BI model is a great way to start getting familiar with Power BI and then start looking how it might be useful in their application inside your organisation. So I hope that was a good sort of introduction to the very first model that we're going to talk about. In the next video, we'll discuss the team collaboration model, which is one of those popular models that organisations go to and using Power BI and adopting that for their organisation.